So here is what happened. Couple of days back I asked my subscriber to sending me your design. So I will try to improve it inside the Canva. So one of my subscribers sending me this design. So without wasting any time, let's just improve this design inside the Canva. So my name is Som, I am a Canva verified expert. So in this video, let's fix this. Alright, so here we have this design. This is for marathon race announcement. And this looks pretty good and invoking the sports vibe. So I just try to add a same page inside the Canva and start picking the content. So this is my way to improve any design, because sometimes we are lagging with the idea and not getting the right inspiration, but we just want to improve the design. So how you can do it, just add a different page by duplicating this one. So we start picking the elements or the text from our second design and put it into the third. So what are the good things in particular design, I just start picking. So this text is I need it, so I will just put it here, and this is I will change the color to the text. So I'm just randomly doing the thing. So this font is not looking good to me. And the same styling, I will just copy the same style and paste into the other text. So it will, okay, now this design is, and I will just copy this and paste it here. Instead of making the 3 text, just make the 2. Okay, coming soon. And also just add the line spacing like this. So this is the text I like in this particular design. So yeah, now I will pick the subject image. So this is my subject in the design, so I will just try to pick it and place it here. So it is also having the shadow, it is clearly showcasing, and this is the supporting element. So I will just pick it and paste it inside it. Also I will just place it inside the background and make some adjustment just by adjusting the design and zoom it. Also you can improve the image by adjusting the property of this image. So we will do it later. So like this is the Rimberio Sports presents. Okay, I will just pick the color from the images color. So whatever the image I used in this design, this is, so I choose the same color. So also I will choose the coming soon color in the same way, to this darker orange, to make it contrasting and looks really good. So this is what the idea. And now for the bottom section, I will just copy this rectangle shape whatever we have in this and just try to add it here and just send it back. Okay, yeah. And these are the supporting text or the event details. I will just place it into the bottom, and instead of gradient I use the solid black color. Okay, yeah, this looks good to me. I will just place it like this and just zoom it, place it into the bottom. Also I will just make sure it is vertically aligned, also the horizontally center aligned. So this is what looks, and just if you want, just scale your subject and just provide the same effect if you want. Just I will just crop the image from front, so I can just scale it and create this amazing effect, which is text is behind the subject, and just click on this edit. So I'm just adjusting the property of our subject. I will just increase the brightness, the contrast I just increase a little bit, and instead of that you can just apply the filter if you want, but I'm just adjusting the property to make it subject more vibrant and goes well with the background. You can also try the different option. So this is the one I just improved it, and if you want to put anything, so there is one possible option is you can duplicate this one and try to add the sky behind this. So I will just search the sky. This is the second, and the first we have, these are the designs we can use for our marathon race announcement. So these are the 2 different variation I have created in front of you. If you want, you can add some sport elements. Yeah, so these are the 2 options I have created. So which one you like, just let me know into the comments, and if you have any suggestion to improve it, just add into the comment section. So if you want I just improve your design, so also send me your design on this email. So in the next video I will definitely improve your work. So by making the small adjustment into your design, you can improve from this to this. So if you want me to improve your design into the next video, so drop your design into this email address, then I will definitely feature you into the next video. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, where we are featuring amazing stuff. So do follow now. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.